Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Karishma Balani. I'm a cosmetic dermatologist and an aesthetic physician with special interest in lasers, anti-aging and PCOD. I'm the medical director of Sinova chain of clinics spread across Bandra, Thane and Kalyan. So friends, today we'll be talking about anti-aging. Now as you all know, aging is inevitable and irreversible, but we can definitely slow down the speed of aging with the help of treatments. Aging is of two types, extrinsic and intrinsic. Basically, the causes are sunlight, stress, pollution and smoking, from which 90% of the cases are because of sunlight. In intrinsic aging is basically also known as chronological aging. It is genetically determined. Between extrinsic and intrinsic clinically is, in the extrinsic kind of aging, the skin is thick, coarse, there are pigmented patches and coarse lines and wrinkles, whereas in case of intrinsic aging, the lines are fine and there is thinning of the skin. Now aging in the face occurs differently in different parts of the face. Now we'll see how it occurs in different layers of the face. Beginning from the bone, there is resorption of the bone. On the top of the bone, there are fat pads, which are two types, superficial and deep. The deep fat pads atrophy, there's volume depletion. The superficial fat pads, they descend down. On the top of that, there are muscles. Because of repeated action of the muscles, because of our expressions, there is development of lines. There's number 11 line, or also called as glabellar line. There are crow's feet around the eyes, and there are forehead lines. On top of that is the outermost layer, which is the skin. There's thinning of the skin and there's loss of collagen and elastic fibers in the skin that leads to loose skin. Now there are 4 Ds which happen in aging. The first D is descent, second D is deflation, third D is deterioration and fourth D is disproportion. So as you know, during youth there is something called as inverted triangle of youth, in which the upper part of the face is broad and the lower part is narrow. With aging, what happens is reversal of the triangle of youth. The lower part becomes broad and the upper part becomes narrow. Last few years, there have been lot of advancement in the field of medical aesthetics. And there's a whole new world of non-invasive facial rejuvenation. So friends, how does it sound? This has actually replaced plastic surgery. So there is a concept of something called as preventive, curative and restorative. So when a person or a client comes to us between the age of 20 to 30 years, we generally suggest preventive measures such as sunscreen, vitamin C serums and retinoids and sometimes alpha hydroxy acids depending upon the skin type. When a person comes between the age of 30 to 40 or up to 50, then we have to assess the skin. First we look at the texture of the skin, then we look at the shape of the face, the symmetry, if there's presence of any lines or wrinkles, and if there's any sagging of the face present. So accordingly, we treat whatever the problem is. For example, if there is lines and wrinkles, we can treat with the botulinum toxin. If there's presence of folds, then we treat with fillers. If there's volume loss, there's tired eyes, there's tear trough, we treat with dermal fillers. And third comes the restorative. In the restorative, supposing a person is coming after the age of 50 years, has lost lot of volume. So first we replace the volume. Again, the treatments are divided between using energy-based devices or using injectables as per the comfort of the patients. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic, when it is difficult to do treatments, we are generally suggesting products as per the skin type. Thank you so much.
To book an appointment with a cosmetologist or a dermatologist in your area, please visit www.skinandhairacademy.in.